In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lightroom with the Apple Photos app for easy photo transfer. If you're looking to combine the powerful editing features of Lightroom with the convenience of Apple's Photos app, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a budding photographer or just someone who loves capturing moments, this guide will help streamline your workflow and elevate your photo editing game effortlessly. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to ensure that you have Lightroom Mobile installed on your device. If you haven't done so already, head over to the App Store, perform a quick search for Lightroom and hit download. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it. You'll be prompted to sign up. Follow the on-screen instructions and create an account if you don't have one. If you do, just sign in with your existing credentials. Next, it's crucial to grant Lightroom access to your photos. Upon opening the app for the first time, it will ask to access your photos. Make sure you tap Allow access to all photos. This is necessary so Lightroom can import images directly from your Apple Photos library. By allowing access, you're enabling Lightroom to seamlessly pull in the photos you want to work on without any additional hassle. Now let's move on to importing photos from your Apple Photos app into Lightroom. Once you've allowed access, find the three dots icon located in the upper right corner of the Lightroom interface. Tap on it, and from the menu that appears, select the Select Photos option. This action will take you directly to your photo library, where you can choose the images you want to edit in Lightroom. Feel free to select as many photos as you wish to get creative with. After making your selection, tap Import to bring these photos into Lightroom, where the fun truly begins. Editing in Lightroom is where your pictures can be transformed. Take advantage of all the editing tools Lightroom offers, from adjusting exposure and contrast to fine-tuning hues and adding stunning effects. Let your creativity flow as you enhance the chosen photos to create outstanding visual stories. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save or share your work. Tap the share icon, which should be visible in your workspace. From here, you have the option to export your final images directly to your camera roll for easy access. Alternatively, you can share them with other apps directly from Lightroom. Whether you're sharing with friends, posting on social media, or backing up your favorites, Lightroom makes it simple and efficient. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient method to use Lightroom with your Apple Photos app. With these steps mastered, you're all set to explore and experiment, pushing your creativity to new heights. Happy editing, and until next time, keep capturing those unforgettable moments.